Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to turn a picture into shape in Photoshop. So let's started. At first open your Photoshop document. Now you can see turn a picture into Photoshop. Now firstly create the any shape. Now choose from shape. Now draw a shape. Now going to the move tool option. Now move the shape. Now resize your shape. Now keyboard press Ctrl T. Now keyboard press enter and select color. Now select the color. Now click select from red color. Now turn the any shape in the image. Now going to the file menu option, then click. Now click from open option. Now choose from picture. Now find your picture. Now select from picture. Now click open. Now open the picture. Now move the picture. Now resize the picture. Now keyboard press enter and going to the layer option. Now click from mouse right button. Now click from create clipping marks. That's it. Now you can see turn picture into shape in Photoshop document is very easily.